In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord loading chunk failed error. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all is that you would want to press the Windows button plus the R button on your keyboard, and then you would have the run application pop up just like this one. And from here, you want to go into percentage update a percentage, click on OK. And now from here, you want to go into Discord, right click and then delete. And then once you've deleted that, close this and then Windows key plus R button again. And now once you have the run application, just simply type in local app data right there. And then click on OK. And then after that, this would now show up. And from here, you want to delete the Discord folder here again. So let's find Discord. Here it is. Right click and then delete. And then after that, the next thing that you'd want to do is that you simply want to go into your taskbar. Once you have deleted those two folders, go into remove. And then you should see this options in here where you could remove or uninstall your apps. You could go for uninstall if you can see this option right here where it says add or remove programs. Click on that. And then you'll now be prompted here into your settings where you'd see all the apps. And from here, you want to search for Discord app right here. And now from here, you should now see the Discord application. So just click here on uninstall and proceed to uninstalling Discord. Once you're done with that, is that you would now need to install Discord again by going into discord.com. And from here, click on download for your device. In my case, I'm using Windows, so it's download for Windows. And now from here, just simply want to download that. And then after that, you want to open that setup and then install Discord again. And then you should have your problem solved by now. With this, you have a clean slate of Discord. Or you could also try opening Discord in your browser and see if you're still having the chunk failed error problem on Discord web. So yeah, once you have installed that, then you should now have your problem fixed. Thank you for watching.